Hi folks, Art at Leach Camper, where we make camping better. We got a real nice 2017 Keystone Hideout. This is one of Keystone's most popular aluminum-based trailers. This is a 28Bhs. Come on around. Electric tongue jack, rock guard, lots of storage all the way through. This is a two-door model, so you can come in and out of the rear without disturbing the front. TV can be mounted out here and plugged in so you can watch the game under the stars. Boat or marine grade speakers. Does have a nice outside shower back here for cleaning off fish, pets, or children. Come on in. 2017 Hideout 28Bhs. This is a four-season coach, so it does have the enclosed underbelly. There's a good shot of your master bed. Does have a TV, sound system, a little bit of an L-shaped island, so you got just a little bit more counter space. Big slide out on this one. As you can see, I'm walking under the slide out without hitting it. Picture windows all around. Nice trifold sofa. This is a picture of your U-shaped dinette with the table down. Another one of these stove ovens, looks like it's never been used. 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Central air, central heat on this one. LED lights on this one. So there's where your second door is. A lot of times we call this mom's door because the kids can come in and out of the bathroom without tracking sand all the way through the coach. Or if you have a lot of guests, you can just lock your front door and have your guests just come in and out of the bathroom. But it is a bunk house. It does have the nice big 300-pound bunks, upper and lower. Does have a lot of cabinetry in it. Shows very well. 2017 Bhs. Don't think it has a lot of use. This is a feature on Keystones that I really like. It does have central vacuuming. We do have a price at $19,500, 2017. This is Art at Leach Camper Sales, where we make camping better. Come see me on this one.